going to see two things. So let me not tell what all the two things we are going to see. So as per the screen now, now you are seeing we are going to see the ORPRB strategy, one thing, and another concept that let's see that you guys will be understanding based on like how the topic goes. So coming to the ORPRB strategy by side, we got two alerts today. Yesterday there was no alerts. Two alerts. One is Eicher Motor, another one is Sun Pharma. So let me take Eicher Motors. So Eicher Motors, the time of alert is around 10:15 a.m. So let me put the candle. So this is the candle wherein like 10:05 to 10:15 this candle will get an end. So above that candle we need to go for an entry. Okay, firstly there is no entry taken. Okay, there is no entry given triggered because there is no high break of this candle at all. And secondly, if suppose you wanted to go for an entry, you should have kept your stop loss over here. So the entry point will be around 2688 and your stop loss is around 2655, nearly 33 points. So you need to decide whether you wanted to go for a trade or not, because the the stop loss is more than 1%. And also if you could see, there are no much major resistance for the day. So if suppose the entry has been triggered, we might have trailed our profit. And also this already the initial balance was so huge, so there was a huge movement in the first 1 hour. So after that the market started to consolidate. So now taking the example of Sun Pharma. So Sun Pharma, the alert came at 115. So 115 in the sense around here. So this is where you got the alert. And let's draw the 15 minute, sorry, the previous day high break, as well as, is there any other resistance? Yeah, there is some resistance over here. After that over here. Okay, fine. So we got our alert over here. So we got our alert over here. So around 115, but before to that our high is over here. So 623.7, you might have, could have taken an entry and your stop loss is nothing but this point. And why we got an alert over here, why we did not get an alert over here? For that, see the Monday's video. I've clearly mentioned that if the wick on the top is very higher, the as per the screener, it will not trigger an alert. So if, and in this case, you need to take an entry above this candle only. So 623.75 may be your entry, and your stop loss is around 620.35. So which is nearly some 3.5 3.5 rupees stop loss, which is less than the 1% of Sun Pharma. And your target should have been like the same 3.5. So same 3.5 would have been like around 324.2 and 327.2. So, and already it has got hit our stop loss. So it already it already went to our target. So based on your stop loss, you need to go and decide your targets. If you are like you wanted to have exactly 1%, then you need to trail once at least this stop loss, like the whatever. See, assume you wanted to go for a 1% target and your stop loss is 3.5. So once the 3.5 is already done on the upper side, then you can shift your stop loss to the cost, so that your like your money can be saved. Okay, so these are the two stocks which came in our screener, and this is what we have discussed today. And one more small update is like I wanted to share with you guys. See, there are two persons who was like sharing their screenshots stating that they are facing a huge loss, and they want me to help. They want me to help them on that. Um, one suggestion, what I would say you guys is like, first of all, limit your losses. If you should know how to limit your loss, only if you know how to limit your loss, then only you will be able to at least survive in this market. Okay, so to earn in this market, you need a lot and lot of experience. But to survive in this market, you first need to limit your loss. So I have seen people like stating, bro, I thought of taking this call. I thought of taking that call. So I added 15K in my account, and finally, if you see, I made 10K loss. So for a 15,000 rupees, you are making 10,000 rupees loss. That means 60 to 70 percentage of your capital is already gone. So if you are putting 15,000 rupees, I am telling you guys, keep 1% stop loss. That means 150 rupees should be your stop loss. But you guys are wasting 10,000 rupees in one call. I seriously don't understand why you guys wanted to trade. Seriously. And if some people who are following me consistently, who are like following, not forget following me, at least seeing, reading the Pivot Boss book, still based on that, if you guys are making a lot of loss, I I don't have anything to say. See, just go through the videos, whatever I have posted. I have posted like 3 examples on Vic reversal setup, and I also posted a Vic reversal explanation in English as well as in Tamil. Try to read that, try to go through that. Just try to go through that. Nothing else is needed. See, and there are several indicators. See, these indicators are highlighting where you can sell, where you can buy, and all these are there. But what I would tell you guys is like, forget indicators also. Do not put indicators also. Just use the blank charts. Nothing else is needed. Okay. So this is March 10th. So we had 5 plus 3, 8 trading days in March alone. Okay. Just only the wick reversal setup. Let's see what market has given to us. Okay. And I'm going to see only the March 1st to March 10th, only 8 days, not February also. Let's see. I'm doing a very frank analysis. I'm not analyzed before also. I'm just doing it right away, right now. Let's see how market has reacted. I'm going to March 1st now. So this is the March 1st chart. Okay. Just check whether anywhere you have got any wick reversal setup or not. Okay. So this is, there is one wick reversal sign, but there is no follow up or there is no break above this candle. So this setup for Monday, for March 1st, we did not have an entry at all. Let me mark that also. Okay. So this is March 1. So we have no setup. No. So like that, we will do it till okay, March 2nd. Now we will go to March 2nd. Let me remove all the drawings. So this is March 2nd. Okay. Till now there is no wick reversal setup. And you guys, if you guys see any wick reversal setup which I have not seen, kindly ping me. There is one wick reversal setup, but I don't think this qualifies the criteria, because at least 2 percentage of, at least 2 times the body is needed. I mean, the body size should, if it is 1, the wick size should be 2. So but it is not there, so I'm ignoring. Here is one wick reversal setup. Okay, so let us consider this for now. So this wick reversal setup, it is having 40 points as stop loss. Okay, and what happens is like the 40 points got hit. So first trade 40 into 75, which is a loss. So let me calculate 40 into 75. So let me not calculate. 40 into 75 is minus 3,000 rupees. Okay, and you have got another entry over here, and this is around another 40 point stop loss. So this candle went till over here. Okay, this candle we to be very honest, I will wait for a close in this candle, but still this wick has gone long, so I'm considering this particular thing is loss. So for this point, 714785 is the stop loss, And here it went till 149,783, but started moving again. So here you got 40 points again. So let us consider only 40 points as target as well. So we got two entries. One entry has 3,000 rupees loss, and one entry, though it gave more than, like, how much from here 825 till 959, nearly 130 points it has moved. But again, but what I'm doing is, like, I'm considering this as only as 1:1 ratio. Okay, so now this example, this particular side, do we have any wick reversal setup? No, we don't have any wick reversal setup in this. Only here wick reversal setup. So, but anyways, we are not going to take any positional, so we are ignoring this. So on third, there is no setup. Now going to fourth. So this is a wick reversal setup. So 55 points as 30, 20, 30, 55 points as 55 points as, what is that called? Stop loss. Here is one wick reversal setup. Here is one wick reversal setup. So we'll consider only this wick reversal setup, and we have got 55 points. So how much is your profit? 55 into 75. So 4125. So I'm considering only one entry. I'm not considering two entries. And even though it has gone till to the sky, I'm not considering all those things. Now again, taking this away, and if you guys see, here is another entry of wick reversal setup, and this entry is around 41 rupees. So again, it gave nearly 41 rupees also. Okay, more than 100 points has gone, but 41 rupees. Well, we will consider only 41 rupees. So 3075 is another profit. So now coming to 5th of March. Okay, so I don't see any wick reversal setup. This is one doji reversal setup is over here, but let's not consider that. Let's stick to the wick reversal setup alone. So here is one wick reversal setup. Okay, so this point is around 50 points. So we have got more than 50 points over here also. If you see, this candle is the stop loss. Okay, and we have not seen a huge spike. So if we are considering that, so we have got some another 50 points as profit. So 50 into 75, it gives you 3750 on 5th of March. And beyond that, we could not see any entry at all, so we are ignoring this. Now on 8th, so 6th and 7th are holiday. Okay, so on 8th, we are again seeing over here. So here we have seen a wick reversal setup, which is around not even 26 points, and we have got more than 26 points, but let's consider only 26 points. So 26 into 75, 1950. Okay, and any other wick reversal setup is spotted. Here is one wick reversal setup. So this wick reversal setup can be spotted down. So this is another 30 points, 30, yeah, 29, 30 points, and we have got another 30 points. So that is 2250. Okay. So here is one wick reversal also, but it looks like a doji reversal, so we can ignore this. But again, it has given good amount of profit, like 1:1, but we are not considering this. Okay, so now let's remove it and let's go for what is it called as 9th of March. So here is one wick reversal setup, but it has given loss. So what is the loss? So 55 points is our loss. So 55 into 75, 4125. 4125 is the loss. So now again, here is one wick reversal setup. Okay. Here is one wick reversal setup, but the entry is not triggered, so not an issue. And here is one wick reversal setup. Here, this SL is 60 points, and we have got more than 60 points, but I'm going to consider only 60. So here it is going to be 60 into 75, which is 4,500 points. Okay. And now we are going to consider today. Today I did not watch the market at all, but anyways, we will see. So here, no wick reversal setup is seen. So here is one weekly reversal setup. Even this can be considered as a weekly reversal setup. So that is 38 points. So we have got correctly exactly 38 to 37 points over here. So if we are considering that 22775, and after that, this here is one weekly reversal setup, which is around 35 points. We got 35 points, and after here also one weekly reversal setup, but we will consider this alone. So another 35 points we've got 2625. Okay. So let's see the total. So equal to plus this, 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 plus this. So totally just 20925, 20,925 points. We have considered only 1:1 ratio. For 40 points stop loss, we have considered 40 points target. For 30 points stop loss, 30 points target. We have not at all considered more than that. Okay, we have not at all considered more than that. I'm not telling you guys to use any pivots, any resistances, any indicators. Only one strategy, wick reversal setup alone. Concentrate that and see what is the time frame I'm using. I'm using 15 minutes time frame, and I am telling you guys to take 1 or 2 trades per day. So for example, assume you are taking 1 day, 1 trade per day, 1 trade per day. So I'll calculate the first things alone. So this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. So it has given 5,475 points. Okay. Simply only one trade I will take. If it is loss, I will exit. If it is profit, I will hold. 5,475 points in single trade. Okay. So see, you guys have to do a lot of back testing. I gave you 3 days of examples in big reversal setup, and for extreme reversal setup, not even one video I posted with an example, and no one reached out to me to give some examples. So when you guys don't show enough learning or enough interest, why, I'm not sure why am I wasting time. See, if I'm like very much money minded, I would have made videos every day and I can generate money in YouTube. Okay, but I'm not doing it. I wanted you guys to learn, and I could see lot and lot of screenshots saying, bro, I trade only in index and I make huge loss. I'm not trading in stocks. ORPRB strategy, I gave a membership plan. I taught you guys 500 rupees membership plan only. And one guy is fighting for that, saying like, for 500 rupees, you have posted only 6 videos. I want the refund. People are conducting sessions for ORPRB for 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, generating more than 10 lakhs in single session. I'm saying like 419 rupees or 500 rupees for 6 videos, in which I'm giving the screener also to you, explaining how to take the trades with the screener also, but no one bothers that. And even just 8 days of what is that called, the trades with wick reversal setup without no indicators, I have told you guys whether to take or not to trade. But again, no one will watch this video for sure. You know why? Because I have spent a lot of 10 minutes or 15 minutes to catch the data, to calculate it, to put it over here. For sure, no one will be considering this. I have no issues at all. See, whatever strategies or whatever topics I have told you guys, that is what I'm using. I'm not hiding something inside. There are certain things which I need to tell. There are a lot of things to tell which I used to do a trade for swing trade or for long term trade or fundamental stuffs or options selling. Many people are asking like, bro, you are doing option selling and you are posting those calls in Telegram, and how you are doing that? It is the accuracy good? Can you teach us? I'm like, option selling needs lakhs of money. To sell one option and hold it for more than a day, you need at least some 5 lakh rupees or 6 lakh rupees. People are ready to learn that, but people are not ready to earn money or learn and earn money. ORPRB strategy, it is lying at 500 rupees, 6 videos. You can just apply that. I'm giving the screener also. You can take those screeners and you can check these calls. You can independently work on. No need to listen to anyone's calls. You can see whether you can take a trade or not, And people, when I gave the screener also, many people are coming and asking me, your screener is not giving their calls, why? So should I be like I have to provide their calls, or their calls must come in my screener? I'm telling like I'm using only Nifty 50 stocks, and Kachada people will give a lot of irrelevant stocks. Why should I bother that? Easily for 2 trades per day, 20,000 rupees is coming. For one trade per day, 5,000 rupees is coming. More than this, what do you want? Per week or per in 10 days, you are earning 5,000 rupees. How much do you guys are expecting? You guys wanted to earn in 1 month 1 crore rupees? Seriously, stock market is not the place for that. Even higher people like PR Sundar, IT Jagan, they have put crores of money to earn lakhs of money in a week or in a month. They are not earning very crores of money, putting crores of money. Okay, so understand the logic. You wanted to survive in this market, your loss need to be very, very limited. See the screenshot what I have shown you guys. Profit 68, profit 97, loss 3,600, loss 727, loss 157. Even the lowest loss is more than your profit. Why do you want to do that? Why do you guys want to do that? Just stick to one strategy. Just say, okay, on expiry day, I will not trade. You are not trading, you are not losing. Ultimately, you are in a profit. Fine, you are not going to give any brokerage also. Okay, decide like that. On expiry day, I will not trade. On budget date or news date, I will not trade. On any results date, I will not trade. Why you guys wanted to trade on these days? All 365 days you want to earn, because every day you are earning 1 crore rupees, 365 days, 365 crores. What a man. Just relax, guys. Just relax. 10 days, 5,000 rupees. I'll be like very happy. I'll be like so happy. This one I have told you guys without using any screeners, any previous day high, any previous day low, nothing was considered. Only with reversal setup. If in case I am putting those indicators or like previous day low, previous day high, which I respect a lot, then this profit would have doubled, or some entries would not have triggered, and loss would have got limited. Just 1:1 ratio, guys, not even more than that. Just 1:1 ratio per day per trade, 5,475 rupees. You guys do the back test for February month. Update in the comment section or mail me, stanakshar@gmail.com. Mail me. I checked February past 1 month data. The data is very poor. This strategy does not work. Give the feedback. I can help you guys like, okay, which all days you should have taken a trade, which all days you should not have taken a trade, how to learn when to take a trade, how to learn when not to take a trade. I'm making a video. You can learn from that. It is completely up to you guys. And this video especially dedicated to those people who sends me screenshot and say that, bro, I've lost this, bro, I've lost that. Please, I request you guys to follow Victory Vessel setup alone and don't trade on expiry days and just see how it is performing. I'm not telling you guys to put 1 lakh rupees test, lose 1 lakh rupees and end the day. I'm telling you guys, back test it for at least this year, 2 months only gone. On those 2 months, just check how the market has reacted, how it has fallen, how it has given trade. Need not consider OAI. Need not consider anything. Just see this. Now it's up to you guys. It's up to you guys to decide whether you guys wanted to lose money, go into the stock market, and you guys think that I can swim like hell, but again, you guys are going to go deep into it and stuck a lot. So I would request you guys to follow one particular strategy at least for 6 months, trade on it consistently and see how it is performing. Or if you guys want me to make a video like every day on the index, like in Nifty, tell me like big reversal setup to be considered or not. Or if you guys want me to make 2 to 3 minutes video also, I am ready to make. I have no issues. But ultimately, please do remember, if you guys are showing interest on learning, I will also help you guys in learning. If you guys don't show interest in learning, I have no worries. I am learning. I am learning. Okay, I learn every day. All the screeners, whichever I have, I do test on all those things. I do check all those screeners. I do understand how it is working, why it is working, why it has failed. One day the one screener might work, one day the others not, the same screener will not. I will be doing analysis on that. This helps me to learn. Okay, so now it's up to you guys. So if you guys feel the content is good, kindly give a like and share and comment your feedback and your thoughts on this video. Please watch this video fully so that you guys can understand what has been said in this video. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more.